Have you ever opened Venmo only to find a random $500 deposit from a stranger, followed immediately by a frantic text begging you to send it back? It looks like a lucky break or an honest mistake, but in reality, it's one of the most effective ways people are losing thousands of dollars right now. I've seen how these scams play out firsthand, and the tactics are getting much more sophisticated than just a wrong number text. Here are the top Venmo scams you need to watch for and exactly how to protect your cash. 1. The accidental payment. This is the one I mentioned. A stranger sends you money, usually a significant amount, using a stolen credit card. They'll message you saying it was a mistake and ask you to send it back. If you send them $500 of your own balance, you feel like a good Samaritan until a week later. That's when the actual owner of the stolen credit card reports the fraud. Venmo will then claw back that original $500 from your account. Since you voluntarily sent your own $500 to the scammer, that money is gone, and you're now out $500 of your own hard-earned cash. How to avoid it? Never send money back to a stranger. If this happens, don't touch the funds. Contact Venmo support directly and tell them to reverse the transaction on their end. 2. The marketplace overpayment. If you're selling something on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, watch out for the buyer who accidentally pays you too much. They'll send a screenshot of a fake Venmo confirmation showing they sent $600 for a $400 item and ask you to Venmo them the $200 difference. The screenshot is fake, or the payment is from a compromised account. Either way, you ship the item and send the change, only to find out the original payment never actually cleared. How to avoid it? Never ship an item until the money is physically in your Venmo balance. Better yet, use the purchase protection toggle if you're dealing with someone you don't know. 3. The Venmo support phishing call. I've seen scammers call people pretending to be Venmo security. They'll claim there's suspicious activity on your account and say they've sent a verification code to your phone to verify your identity. The second you give them that 6-digit code, you've given them the keys to your account. They aren't Venmo, they're using that code to bypass your two-factor authentication and change your password. How to avoid it? Venmo will never call you and ask for a verification code. If someone asks for a code over the phone, hang up immediately. 4. The friend impersonator. Scammers will find your public transaction list, see who you pay often, and then create a dummy account using your friend's name and profile picture. They'll send a request for $20 with a note like, "Hey, forgot my wallet at lunch, can you cover me?" Because the photo and name match, most people hit pay without thinking twice. How to avoid it? Go to your settings and set your transactions to private. This prevents scammers from seeing your friend list and your payment history. Also, always double-check the username before sending money to a friend. 5. Essential safety checklist. To stay safe, there are 3 things you should do in your app right now. Enable multi-factor authentication. Ensure a code is required for every new login. Set a PIN or Face ID. This prevents someone who grabs your phone in public from opening the app and draining your balance. Link a credit card. If you get scammed, credit cards have much better fraud protection and chargeback options than a debit card or a direct bank link. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.